Welcome to Fabby John's, the joy of decorating. There is something about a modern home. The calm, the balance, the effortless beauty. In this video, we're exploring what truly makes a modern home feel so perfect, inviting, and timeless. Modern design isn't about cold spaces or trends that come and go. It's about simplicity, comfort, intention, and quiet luxury. I'll walk you through the subtle details that create the feeling of perfection, from clean lines and thoughtful furniture placement to warm texture and restraint. Whether your home is traditional, transitional, or somewhere in between, you can borrow these modern principles to create a space that feels peaceful, elevated, and beautifully livable. So let's discover what makes a modern home feel just right. There is something about a modern home. You feel the moment you walk in. The calm, the balance, the way everything seems intentional yet effortless. And today I want to talk about why modern homes feel so good, and how you can bring that same feeling into your own space, no matter what your home's age or style. Because modern perfection isn't about being trendy, it's about creating a home that breathes, a home that is uniquely you. 1. Modern is about restraint. Modern homes don't shout, they whisper. Instead of filling every wall, corner, and surface, modern spaces allow room to pause. There's a beauty in what's not there. There's a restraint that creates visual rest. And that's why modern homes feel so peaceful. Your eye isn't jumping from one object to the other. It moves slowly, comfortably. Perfection comes from knowing when to stop. 2. Clean lines create calm. One of the most powerful elements of modern homes is clean lines, straight edges, simple silhouettes, and uncluttered shapes. Clean lines that give the eye clarity, and the mind follows. Even upholstered furniture feels tailored, not fussy. When lines are clean, everything feels intentional. And intention always feels luxurious. 3. The color palette does the heavy lifting. Modern homes rarely rely on bold colors to make a statement. Instead, they use soft whites, warm neutrals, gentle contrast. Color becomes a backdrop, not the star. And that's what allows texture, light, and form to shine. When the palette is calm, the entire home feels elevated, even with very little decor. 4. Texture is what makes it feel livable. This is where modern homes truly become perfect, because without texture, modern can feel cold. But great modern spaces layer wood, linen, stone, leather, wool, cashmere. These textures add warmth without clutter. You don't need more things. You need better materials. Texture gives depth, softness, and soul. 5. Furniture is giving room to breathe. In modern homes, furniture isn't crammed in. Pieces are spaced intentionally. Each item has a presence. This spacing allows better flow, better function, but a better appreciation for each piece. When furniture can breathe, the entire room feels more refined. This alone can make a home feel instantly more modern without buying anything new. 6. Light is part of the design. Modern homes treat light like decor. Natural light is welcome, not blocked. Window treatments are simple. Artificial lighting is soft and layered. Light creates mood. It highlights form. It enhances materials. A modern home never feels harsh. It glows. 7. Decor is curated and collected. Modern homes don't display everything you own. They display what matters. Each object feels thoughtful, purposeful, and calm. Fewer pieces, stronger impact. And that's where perfection comes in. Not from having more, but from choosing better. 8. Modern perfection is comfort. Here's the secret no one talks about. A truly modern home is comfortable, not stiff, not precious, not untouchable. It's livable, relaxed, and welcoming. Perfection isn't about showroom styling. It's about how a space makes you feel when you sit down, exhale, and stay a while. There really is something about a modern home. It's the clarity, the calm, the quiet confidence. And the beautiful thing is you don't have to start over to achieve it. By editing, simplifying, softening, and being intentional, you can bring modern perfection into any home and into any style. Modern homes love beautiful, livable spaces. Spaces that are you. happy decorating! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.